How you doing, viewers? I have a quick question for Oprah Winfrey and her video that her and The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, right, are asking the public for money. Okay, not a GoFundMe, not an Indiegogo, not this, just a foundation that they want the public to fund for the people of Hawaii. Okay. Now, Maui, where probably both of their residents are. Now, I've been hearing on TikTok and YouTube and other social media about how that they're doing the land grab and everything. Well, if they have millions of dollars, that's what they're going to do because that's what they think they can do. Now, I'm not sure how big Oprah's family is, but I mean, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson is supposed to be Samoan and his family. So, are they kind of being land greedy too? And if you look right here, Oprah Winfrey's net worth is this much, over $1 billion, $2 billion. She owns her own network, right? The other thing is, which I'll put here, is part of her show. Hopefully, I can put it up there without getting copyrighted banned or copyright strike or anything with copyright. Is that you get a new car, you get a new car, you get this, you get that, you get this from her show, but she can't go ahead and take even 25% or 10% of her $1 billion that is her net worth and help the people around her home. And there's a video that shows that from people on Maui that she had her own private fire department or some stuff. I mean, I don't always believe everything online, but how dare you, Oprah and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, go ahead and here, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson has over $200 million worth net worth. Okay, he can easily go to Vince McMahon, who is a billionaire, and ask some of the wrestlers that are millionaires, hey, can you go ahead and help the people of Maui or help the Samoan people? Okay. Same thing with Oprah. You can easily have a perfect scene in The Dark Knight Rises. Right? Bruce Wayne tells Harvey Dent, with my friends, you'll be set up for a lifetime. With all the people Oprah Winfrey knows, all the people that she's been on her shows, all the little contracts or side deals that she's done, you know she could easily have plenty of people buy the whole thing of Maui or the whole Hawaii nation, right? The whole Hawaii state. Okay, brand new everything, but both of these morons are, I guess, doing a Ponzi scheme, right? Where us poor people running paycheck to paycheck usually are the ones that help individuals. All you rich people, like they keep on saying, eat the rich, is ones that don't remember where they came from, right? Especially Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson used to eat bowls of cereal and live in his car, and now that you have money, that you forget where you came from, were you living on the next crumbs? And I don't know what Oprah's background is, but if you're a billionaire now and you have somebody wiping your ass all the time or kissing your ass, so the thing is that the Steve Harvey's another one. He's a millionaire. He has the Steve Harvey show. He has the Family Feud. He's friends with Oprah and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. You telling me all these Hollywood elites, right? All of them could not spare 1% of their wealth to go ahead and help out any of the natural disasters. Any congressman, any of this congressmen that do the shady deals, you're telling me they can't take part of their party money that is given to them by special interest groups, can't go ahead and help people of natural disasters. Okay, I would love to have a shitload of money, but money is nothing to me. Okay, I just have to pay my little bills that I'm here, but give me a fucking break, people. How dare you kind of spit in the face of all these people because you have a big ass mansion, right, that has 28 rooms and you're using 5? I mean, do you really need another asshole, Jeff Bezos? You need a super yacht that you're gonna store and show all your super friends. And same thing with the two morons that we're talking about, Oprah Winfrey and Dwayne Rock Johnson. That yes, you've got this big super yacht built. You got all this money. And who are you gonna show it to? All your rich friends that have something bigger than you? Alright. I do remember meeting Dwayne The Rock Johnson once at Universal Studios with Hulk Hogan on a ride called Dragon Champion, at least before Harry Potter took it over, and it was called Dueling Dragons. And it scared the living crap out of him. I mean, it was very friendly and said, "Oh, the coaster's gonna go and you're probably gonna get your feet chopped off." "Oh my God, really?" I'm like, "Yeah, no, I'm just messing around." And his family took a big laugh out of it. But other than that, where the fuck do you have the right to ask people for money when you know where you came from? And Oprah, like I said, I don't know where you came from, but seriously, you gave everybody a new car at the last show. You gave everybody all these other stuff during your show. You live on the same island and you can't give people a new home or $100,000 to go ahead and clean up, $50,000 to help clean up the area, and give people $50,000. I mean, it's going to be a tax fucking write-off for both of you morons. But you're going to ask the people of Hawaii and the United States and the world to go ahead and help you when you can easily, again, which I'm repeating myself, to go ahead and have your special interest friends easily give 1% of their annual pay, right? Their annual salary, 1% to help everybody. But that's my 2 cents. Hopefully you enjoyed it. YouTube, TikTok, and hopefully Instagram. But thanks for watching. Have a great day.